Every now and again, you come across a drink that uses ingredients that you've never worked with before. Flavors you haven't tasted and combinations you usually wouldn't reach for. And honestly, that is what I love about making cocktails. They constantly push you to learn and experiment and push you beyond your comfort zone. Today's cocktail does exactly that and is called the Aussie Xmas Flip. What is the crack? Happy holidays, everybody. My name's the Rusty Bartender, and this is the Christmas Cocktail Advent Calendar. If you're following along this series, or you've just found us on this channel, we are running a competition. Check the details in the description below. You can win some goodies before Christmas. Well, after Christmas by the time I send it out. Today's episode is a very special episode. To be honest, it's a bit of a coup for this channel because we have got one of Australia's most exciting bartenders doing a special guest appearance on this one. He is Mexican-born Eduardo Conde. Hope I did not butcher his name. And so if you don't know who Eduardo is, he's been named one of Australia's top 25 bartenders, and he was crowned Diageo World Class Bartender in 2023. He's also represented Australia in the Diageo World Class Global Finals, and more recently was crowned Boothby's Australian Bartender of the Year 2025. That's who he is. He's kind of a big deal. Very glad he's on this channel. Here he is, the man himself, over to his cocktail. Let's go.
Hey guys, my name is Eduardo Conde, and I'm gonna show you today my favorite Christmas cocktail. So, obviously we're based in Sydney in Australia, so my drink's a mix of a bit of like the country where I come from, the drinks and the spirits that I actually enjoy as well, but some ingredients from Australia as well. So today we're gonna be starting with the main element or complexity of the drink, which is Vegemite. The type of drink we're making today is kind of like a flip, so we're gonna be using a whole egg as well. It's very tasty, nice texture as well, and don't be scared with the Vegemite, it's just a little bit to add complexity into the drink. So we're gonna begin with our first ingredient, which is whole egg. So we're gonna break our egg, and we're gonna make sure we put everything in the tin. For the second ingredient of our drink, we're gonna be using a mix of macadamia milk, and we also add a tiny bit of macadamias, which we blend, we crush them. We add a bit of condensed milk, and we make our macadamia mix. And this is gonna give length and depth into the drink. So we're gonna put 75 mils of this one directly into the tin. We follow up with the, I guess, complex ingredient for this cocktail, which is the Vegemite. I think people that have tried Vegemite before might think that it might be very intense, but it adds a nice savory element into the cocktail, which is what we're looking for this. So just half a bar spoon of the Vegemite, which will help us with, like I said, savory element and complexity into the drink. If you like the Vegemite flavor, you can obviously add more, but obviously we were looking for a balanced cocktail. We move on to the main spirit. So in this case, I'm gonna be using two types of whiskeys. So I'm gonna start with Jonnie Walker. So blended whiskey. We're gonna use 20 mils of this one. And we're gonna follow up with a little bit of a smokiness of the spirit. So we're gonna use a Talisker. So as we said, the Vegemite is gonna add salinity into the drink, and obviously Talisker, the way it's made, will have that salinity as well and the smokiness into the drink, which will make the drink very nice, complex, and very delicious. Lastly, we're gonna add a tiny bit of salt, just to round up everything. And this is definitely one of my favorite drinks. Flip cocktail, I think it's like a perfect breakfast, Christmas, like you started, you're about to have lunch and you can begin with something like this. So we're gonna start with a nice little dry shake. And we wanna make sure we break the egg. We combine all the ingredients. Also at home, if you want, you can use a hand blender to make sure you break all the ingredients properly. Perfect. Nice little color. And then we're gonna give it a big shake as well In this case, I'm gonna use a big cube, but you can use normal ice as well. Before we shake our cocktail, you can always adjust the sweetness in your cocktail. I have a sweet tooth, so I always like a little bit more sweetness. The macadamia mix, like I said, is a blend of condensed milk, macadamias, and macadamia milk. So you can always adjust. I will share the recipe so you can see, but you can always add. If you want to add a little bit more of simple syrup, you can always do it. I like the way it is now, but you can always adjust to your palate and to your preference. And now we're gonna give a nice little whip and shake to this cocktail. So now we're gonna just pour our flip cocktail into Nick and Nora glass, and you can see that nice color. The Vegemite also adds nice texture into the drink, color and salinity. And for garnish, we're gonna use something different to nutmeg. I think nutmeg is very traditional, but in this case, we're gonna use pepita. So pepita, we use it a lot in Mexican cuisine. In this case, we have blitzed it with a tiny bit of sugar and salt, and then it's gonna go on top of our drink. And this is the Aussie Xmas Flip, all day for you, and I hope you enjoy. Cheers.
Eduardo, thank you so much for taking the time to make that video. You don't know how much I really appreciate that. And you know what else? I don't think I've ever been as excited to actually try a cocktail on this channel, because Vegemite in a flip? What are you thinking, man? This is gonna be awesome though. And that little bit of pepitas you had to make with the salt and the sugar. So good. It smells amazing. You're right, the Vegemite brings a little savory kick to this, and that is quite Moorish. That is. That's cool. That's a really cool drink. Get a little bit of the smokiness from the whiskey. It's a flip at heart. A little bit sweet, a little bit salty, savory. It's hitting all the notes. Merry Christmas. Catch us on the next one.